welcome to this new AutoCart tutorial. Today we'll introduce our new feature, Global Automation, which allows you to automatically add products to your customers' carts or at checkout at any time. Now, with just one rule, we can create an automation for both the cart and checkout with the conditions we set. In this tutorial, we will give a gift to customers who spend at least $1,000 in our store, even if they add some promotional products at checkout. Let's open AutoCart and get started. From the AutoCart dashboard, click the Create New Rule button here. To create a rule that adds a product to the cart and checkout, you need to use Global Automation. Remember, to be able to create automations with Global AutoCart at checkout, it's mandatory to have a Shopify Plus membership. In the title area, enter the rule name. This is for internal use only. Now let's select the condition we want. In this case, we will select cart total and set the condition to greater than $1,000. This way, anytime the cart amount exceeds $1,000, we will offer a gift, whether the order amount reaches this figure in the cart or at checkout. Now, in the Product to Add section, we are going to choose which product to offer. First, let's select Automatic here, so that the operation will be automatic. Then click on this button labeled Browse. Here you can simply select the product you want to offer from the drop-down menu. In this case, I'll add a gift card worth $100. Great. Now let's move down and turn on this button here to enable it. In the section Give Discount on Selected Products, you can apply a discount to this product. In this case, we will make it free by applying a 100% discount. We also set up the message that will display next to the product, such as free gift for you. Perfect. Now you need to scroll to the top and click Save. This will activate the rule immediately, as we can also see here in the dashboard. Keep in mind that the next button is the Keep Alive button, which ensures that the gifted product remains in the cart with the discount applied, even if the conditions are no longer met. Be aware of this when you create your own rule. Now let's see how the rule works in the store. I'll buy a product and increase the quantity until we reach the $1,000 goal we set in our rule. As you can see, the gift product is added automatically to the cart. Now I'll remove one of these products, and the gift card is removed automatically. Perfect. Now let's proceed to checkout with this total amount. In checkout, you can see we have a promotion to buy extra products. Let's buy one of these so the total will reach our condition again. And voila! The gift card is added automatically, even in checkout. In this way, you can always reward your customers anywhere in the store. AutoCart gives you the ability to enhance your customer experience with just a few clicks, automatically adding gift cards, discounted products, and special prizes for your customers. Ready to take your store to the next level? Activate any plan, and remember, you have a 7-day free trial to test it out. If you need assistance, our support team is always available to help you.